Welcome. Today, we'll explore how three leading organizations, Carrier, Mastercard, and Vodafone, successfully adopted Microsoft's Copilot. This isn't just about technology, it's about people, change, and building new habits. Let's dive into what makes Copilot adoption unique, and how you can spark transformation in your own organization. Unlike traditional tech rollouts, Copilot adoption isn't automatic. With legacy tools, you flip a switch and everyone moves over. With Copilot, users have a choice: stick to old habits or embrace new ways of working. That means adoption is a change management challenge, not just a technical one. People respond to Copilot in three ways: champions who are eager to experiment, curious users who try a few new things, and reluctant users who resist change. To drive adoption, you need to motivate all three groups, not just the early enthusiast. The key is to treat Copilot adoption as a change management journey. Success means activating people across your organization, leading the change, inspiring the change, and helping users build new habits. Carrier's human-centered approach to Copilot adoption. Carrier's breakthrough was unifying champions and leaders into a single flywheel. Instead of parallel, disconnected efforts, they created a loop where grassroots innovation and leadership validation reinforce each other. This model accelerated adoption and built a culture of experimentation. Carrier empowered change agents, trusted influencers across functions to connect, share, and learn out loud. Office hours, community sessions, and spotlighting wins made learning visible and safe. People weren't just participating, they were building a movement. The result is a reinforcing loop. Leaders validate and celebrate, grassroots momentum inspires curiosity, and shared acceleration shifts culture. Adoption compounds and Copilot becomes part of daily work. Mastercard focused on empowering employees with AI-driven tools for productivity and collaboration. The strategy encompasses workplace experience, technology modernization, operational excellence, automation, and compliance, all built on security and responsible AI. Mastercard anchored adoption in three pillars: stakeholder engagement, communications and continuous learning, and multi-level support. KPIs track progress, proof of concept shaped strategy, and a network of early adopters led the way. Training was tailored by role and tool, live and on-demand sessions, office hours, promptathons, and a vibrant community. The Copilot Welcome Center offered resources, FAQs, and testimonials. Ongoing engagement and creative events reinforced adoption. The results are that nearly 18,000 employees licensed, 1.5 million hours saved, and 15 million actions taken across apps. Automated systems reclaimed underused licenses, and dashboards tracked impact. Real value came from thoughtful change management and relevant training. Vodafone democratized Copilot access, moving from awareness to adoption and transformation. Champions and agents drove engagement, and weekly Copilot-assisted hours soared. The strategy includes measure impact, build champions, and create agents to automate tasks. Vodafone tackled the chasm in adoption, the gap between early enthusiasts and mainstream users. The approach includes tailored communication for each segment, use social proof, gamified learning, and outcome-driven messages to turn fear into curiosity and create wow moments. Vodafone's playbook includes lead by example, align Copilot with business goals, promote a learning mindset, provide targeted training, make Copilot part of daily conversations, remove barriers, track and share impact, and connect adoption to culture. The message is simple: creativity and curiosity are the antidotes to fear. Start small, focus on wow moments, make adoption fun and human, and build a learning culture that thrives on change. AI won't replace people, but those who embrace AI will lead the future. Across all these journeys, the thread is clear: focus on people. Technology is essential, but lasting adoption comes from leading change, inspiring change, and building new habits. Activate your organization, celebrate your champions, and watch your culture shift in real time. For more details, check out the full session.